Hi, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, ik heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple, amazing way in which you can style a bandana in your long hair. Drum rolls! Ta, 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 yes! Oh yes, and as we dive into that, please just make sure that you do like this video. You can talk to me in the comment section, can share us out there, just tell someone about this channel, and also do subscribe and turn on the notification bell because we have done so many tutorials and we are yet to do more, and you do not want to be one of the few people who miss out. So turn on the notification bell so that you are the first one to be informed in case of a new video. Yeah, I know you're already asking, so for me to look amazing and elegant with my own hair and with a bandana, what do I need? Well, you just need to be yourself, yeah, and follow my instructions to the very end. Yeah, just watch the video to the very end. So for the materials you need, you just need a bandana. You have to just let loose your hair and nothing much, maybe a flat surface to place the bandana, which is not even a must. You can always do it on air like me, and maybe an iron box, which also is not a must. But in case you have it, you're a perfectionist, you just need everything smooth, I'll be telling you and showing you how you can actually make use of that. Also need a mirror, which is not a must. So many things are not necessary. You just need your hair, your head, your hands, and a bandana. Easy, right? So let's do this. Do this like them doing, guys. So this is my hair in this particular style. I was showing you another style in another video on how you can actually use a bandana to style your hair with your hair held up, so watch that and check out that in the description. But in this particular case, we're going to be doing it with our hairs loose. I'm telling you, that style is seductive, it is sweet, it is cute. So let's just do this. You see, so just let your hair loose to the very end. What is that? Just let your hair loose. And then the next thing you need is pick your bandana like this. Make sure that the inner part is facing the front, or if you're using it like this, make sure that the inner part is facing towards the top. Okay, you're placing it on a flat surface. So okay, with this like this, you just rotate it to form something like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. And then take one tip to meet the other tip. It can be the bottom tip meeting the top tip, or the other way, round and around and around. So it's as easy as ABCD. So if you're the perfectionist using the iron box at this point, this is why you iron it out. Okay, this is the first place that you do that, to have something that is super smooth. And if you are doing it on a flat surface, the process is the same. You just rotate it a little bit to form something like a diamond, and then you pick one tip and make sure that it meets the other tip, and then you form something like that. And as we continue, I really appreciate it if you just like the video. It's free, just give us that thumbs up. Okay, you can also talk to me in the comment section. Actually, I always appreciate so much the people who talk to me via the comment section, the critics, the love, you know, honesty. It's amazing, right? And so okay, and also shares out and subscribe. So we did like this. The next thing we want to do is make another fold. The next thing we want to do is make another fold. So from the top, just fold it to have something like this. So actually, don't mind about this band around my hair, just don't mind it. Assume that it is not there, just imagine it is not there. So just push your hair towards the back and let it be. You can actually comb it, you want to comb it, or just leave it shaggy. Okay, just imagine it's not there. So the other thing you need is to make another fold from here, from the top to bottom, something like that. This is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. So we are going to divide our hair because you can actually do this in two different ways. So I want us to like subdivide our hair. While placing the bandana, remember this side that looks like a mouth, that is the side that you're going to place facing the top. So the first way, actually I'll be showing you more than one style today. I'm in the mood. So the first way in which you can do this is pick the bandana, place it there, and then make a knot at the back. Sunshine bright. Oh, I think we should like make another fold, or just fold it onto the inside so that we don't have something. Yeah, let me just fold it a little bit more. Fold. And so you're going to have something small, something of this size. So just place it right here onto your forehead. Oops. And then on top of your hairs, all the way towards the back, and then make a super nice knot to the first one, the second one, at least to make sure that it is held, it is tight enough. Well, you can actually choose it to be of that small size, or make sure that it is of a bigger size a little bit, because I think I've made it to be too small. So I'm just going to make the fold to be smaller like that, and then I just place it right there. Alright, I'll be right here with you. And then another note, yeah. And voila, that is style number one. Guess I'm going to show you another way in which you can actually style your hair. And as we do that, please just like the video for style number one. Cheers! Style number one, like style number one. So let me show you the second one. This is the same way you had just folded it. What's up with me? The same way you had just folded the bandana. Now don't make it too small. Let it be that big. Adjust the size to be a little bit bigger, and then you place it right there onto. No, they said that your fold should be looking at the top. Should be like that. So what you do in this one, instead of placing the bandana below on top of the head of the hair, so you're going to place it below the hairs. All the hairs should be on the bandana. So you can pull it towards the top. You don't really, in the first style we actually brought the bandana here at your forehead, completely right here near the eyebrows and all, but in this case you can just pull it a little bit towards the back, and then have it lying right there. Then have your hairs towards the back like that. Then have your hairs lying at the back like that, and then you can just take all your hairs and push them onto one side like that. Woo! This is style number two, coming in different styles. Okay, it's like an extra bonus on top of every single thing. So you can place your hairs towards the side like that, or place it onto this other side. All depends with the side that you feel. You know, we have our pretty side, like our picture side, you know, or that. So like that's what the side, like, it looks amazing. I like it. I love it actually. Not just liking. I'm in love with this style. I'm loving it. So like that is style number two, with so many subtitles, sub styles. So like the video for that. So the other style is number three, dry. You just pick some hairs, not all the hairs. You bring them towards the front. Just some hairs, not all of them. like that, and then let the rest be at the back, and then place the bandana the same way we had folded. Now this time it's big in size, and do your knot. This is to make sure that you have hairs right here. So in this particular style is the style that I'm going to be showing you a hack in which you can do it. You pick this hair, you pick this hair, and then you let it drop onto your bandana like that. I don't know if you can see the difference. Yep. So that is how you style a bandana on long hair, short hair. Yeah, easily like that. Remember, we have done so many tutorials concerning bandanas and all, so you can just like check them, the link in the description, or just stalk me on this channel. We have tutorials here and there, okay? And yeah, tell me which one is your favorite, because goodness gracious, oh my goodness, we can all agree that these styles are all amazing, and you should, ouch, you should just try them out. You should try them out. So you have so many options, eh? Today you can style this one, tomorrow the other one, huh? And you will still look amazing. So guys, like the video, make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any amazing tutorial hacks, so much fun lifestyle videos maybe here and there. But anyways, just tell someone about this channel. Make sure that you do watch my other videos by clicking right here. Just click yeah, click right here to watch and enjoy more of my amazing videos. Let's make them. I really appreciate your feedback, so talk to me in the comment section or through my socials. Let's meet here.